My name is Nate Marwa. I'm the Parts and Service Manager here at ITB Coaldale. So the ITB Mobile Service Truck is a custom designed ITB service body offering excellent customer service across the entire province of Alberta. The ITB Mobile Service Truck is set up with a variety of storage options for parts and pieces, materials on the job, as well as efficient tool storage. Lately we've been responding to calls from the transportation industry, telecommunications, education, law enforcement, as well as municipal customers. Having the mobile service truck allows us to provide on-site estimates, troubleshooting, and repairs to minimize downtime. So the Samlex products are all great. They're all built to work. Their sales team is super knowledgeable, and their support staff always picks up the phone when I need them.
So we chose the EVO 3012 because it allows us to combine generator and shore power into the inverter through a 70 amp transfer switch, and we can also use it to charge our batteries with up to 130 amps of power. I'd say the EVO 3012 is a good choice for someone because it's reliable, simple to use, and has some programmable features like the ability to change the charge current for your batteries.
The new ITB service truck is a great asset to our service department. We can meet our customers' needs on site as they require. For some customers it's a matter of convenience that we can meet them on site. For others it's a matter of practicality because they are not able to come to our facilities. It's just too cost prohibitive. For example, trailers or generator enclosures which are remotely situated out in the field. One of the tools that I frequently use on the truck is my electric air compressor. I use that for when I do some body work on site, for prepping, for painting. Some places I have to work indoors and I'm not able to power these things up with my generator that's on board. So then I can rely on the Samlex inverter to give me the power that I need. Another tool that I use often on my service truck is my portable MIG welder. And what's nice about using the Samlex inverter to power up my welder is that it's quiet. I can hear the weld that is going on. I can concentrate on that and not be drowned out by the noise of a generator or other such equipment. The EVO 3012 is a perfect fit for our service truck. Not only does it meet the demands of our tools that we have, but also when I'm using my laptop, I have confidence that it has a pure sine wave for a clean power supply. The Samlex support team is a great asset to a great product. Whenever I email them or call them, they're able to respond quickly and promptly, quickly identifying what may be the issue that I have to address.
It's great working with the Samlex sales reps. They've always got time to answer our questions and get back to us. We haven't been able to stump them yet.